Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn decision involving alternative choices. In decision involving alternative choices, we are going to learn BEP for merged plant. BEP for merged plant or combined plant. Now look at the problem. A and B are two similar plants under the same management who want them to be merged. They want to combine for better operation. So there are two plants are working under the same management. Now the management decided to merge them for better results, for better operation. Okay. Plant A, plant B. The capacity, plant A working at 60%, plant B working at 70%. Sales, variable cost, fixed cost. Question number 1, they are asking BEP for A, B and merged plant. Okay. Now we have to prepare statement of marginal costing first. Statement of marginal costing. Plant A, plant B, plant A, plant B. Capacity 60% capacity, it is working at 70% capacity. We are going to prepare statement of marginal costing. Sales 120 for plant A, 350 for plant B, minus variable cost 60 for plant A, 175 for plant B. Now we will get contribution 60, 175. Minus fixed cost 40 for plant B, 75. Profit 20, 100. Now we prepared statement of marginal costing for plant A as well as for plant B. Plant A capacity 6%, 60%, plant B working capacity now 70%. First, we should convert these plant capacity into 100%. Now I am going to convert plant A into 100%. I am going to convert plant A capacity into, and already existing capacity utilization is 60%. Now I am going to convert into 100%. 120 divided by 60 into 100, 200. 60 divided by 60 into 100, the fixed cost remains same. So after conversion, presently it is working at 60%. We are going to convert the 60% capacity into 100%. What we have to do? We have to convert sales, variable cost and contribution. So 120 at 60%, we have to calculate for 100%. So 120 divided by 60 into 100, 60 divided by 60 into 100, 60 divided by 60 divided by 60 into 100. So 60% capacity converted into 100%. Then plant B, existing capacity 70, now I am going to convert into 100%. 350 divided by 70 into 100, 500. 175 divided by 70 into 100, 250. So balance 250. That fixed cost remain same. It will not be changed. Listen, student. Plant A working at 60%, I converted into 100. Plant B working at 70%, converted into 100. I converted sales, variable cost and contribution. So here 120 divided by 60 into 100. Here 350 divided by 70 into 100. So before merging the plant, we should convert the plant capacity levels into 100%. Now I am going to merge. This we called merged plant. This we called merged plant. Merged plant means what we have to do? We have to add A plus B. 100% level should be added. So 700, 350, 350. Fixed cost 40 plus 75, 115. plant A, plant B converted into 100%, then I joined, I merged, I combined. Now we have to find PVR. Now we have to find PVR. What is the formula? Contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution 60, sales 120 into 100, 50%. 175 divided by 50 into 100. This is also 50%. 100 divided by 200 into 100. Then 250 divided by 500 into 100, 50%. Then 350 divided by 700 into 100. This is also 50%. Now we can find BEP in rupees. Now we can find BEP in rupees. What is the formula? Fixed cost divided by PVR. Fixed cost divided by PVR. Here fixed cost how much? 40. Our PVR 50%. So 80. Here fixed cost 75. PVR 50%. So 150 rupees. 40 divided by 50%, it is also 80. 75 divided by 50, 150. 150 rupees. Now 150 divided by 50 equal to 230. So merged plant BEP 230 rupees. Now we calculated BEP for plant A, plant B and for merged plant we calculated. Next they are asking capacity of merged plant, capacity of merged plant to be operated for BEP. Look at the question, capacity of the merged plant to be operated for BEP. It is nothing but BEP percentage on sales. It is nothing but BEP percentage on sales. What is the formula? BEP divided by sales into 100. BEP how much? 230. Sales how much? 700 into 100. So our answer 32.86%. Students, listen carefully. If they operate at the merged plant, if they operate at 32.86%, they can achieve BEP. What I did, very simple. 60% plant, 70% plant, both plants are given. What I did, 60% and 70% plants are converted into 100%. Then I combined. Then I'll calculate BEP. This is a new question. Capacity of merged plant to be operated for BEP is nothing but BEP percentage on sales. Here, if they operate 100%, they will sell 700 worth of goods. If they want to make BEP, they should run capacity at 32.86%. Students, we completed BEP for merged plants. In next class, we will solve different problem. Thank you.